everyone, welcome back to Flour, Eggs, and Yeast. We have been indulging all quarantine long, and now it's time to ease off the throttle a little bit so that we can start getting ourselves back in line. So I have a little bit of a treat here that is going to change the way you dessert, whether you're keto, it's gluten-free, low carb, whatever it is. This is a specialty to me, but we're gonna make guilt-free cannoli cream, a real cuisine recipe, all right? So what we're gonna do here is use ricotta cheese, fat-free. So this guy has no fat, no saturated fat, 45 calories for a quarter cup, that's not too bad. 5 carbs, no fiber, so that's a quarter cup serving. So pretty good, fat-free ricotta cheese. Normally you'd make this with as much fat as you could possibly get into it, but we're not gonna make the same thing, right? This is us replicating something great and keeping it pretty great still. All right, ricotta cheese, fat-free. We're gonna use 1 cup of Splenda. Normally, of course, sugar. Splenda, low carb, tastes like sugar, so they say. We're gonna find out. We're gonna do half a teaspoon of cinnamon. Unless you're allergic, then don't add it. But cinnamon, one of the main ingredients of cannolis, especially Sicilian style. Is there any other style? I don't know. Those are the ones I like and those are the ones you love. Okay, we're going to do half a teaspoon of almond extract. If you don't have it, if you have vanilla, you can use that, or you can use none at all. It just amps the flavor up a little bit in a fat-free version, so it's really super important. And also, if you have it, Cointreau. We're gonna do a tablespoon of this orange flavored liqueur. Why? Most of the times, good Sicilian cannolis will have candied fruits in them. You know, oranges, limes, whatever. So we're gonna substitute with a orange liqueur. And again, if you don't have it, no big deal, you can skip it. I would hesitate to use orange extract. Probably wouldn't do that. But let's go ahead and get started. You can mix this by hand or use a hand mixer. Either way, it's pretty easy. Let's get going. I almost forgot another great thing to add in here are at least 60% cocoa chips or cacao. We'll have some chocolate chips here to spice it up. You don't have to do this. I like the chocolate chips, so I'm gonna add them in. Do as many as you want. They're really to taste, but we're trying to keep it fairly healthy. So unsweetened chocolate, 60%. It's healthy as it's gonna get. You could also add in flavored chocolates with spice or raspberry, whatever you like. But today, this is what we're doing. We're gonna get them in there, and this is gonna be good. I already taste tested a little bit of it. We're right in the ballpark. Love it. All right, guys, look at that. Cannoli cream done. This is a guilt-free treat, and this is all to taste. If you think it's too sweet, go with half a cup of Splenda. Not sweet enough, add more. The idea is to make sure that you have the flavor profile right, and we're there. Again, the fat-free ricotta cheese, you really can't tell at this point because it has that nice cinnamon, almond, and orange flavor going on. One of the other things that we do with this is, well, we taste it. I'm going to taste it again. That is good. One of the things you could do, maybe get some low carb tortillas, toast them up, cut them into little pieces and use them as a cannoli dip and chip, or cannoli chips and dip. You can roll them up, fry them, and make your own, low carb cannoli shells. So they're really, after you have this right, everything else is whatever you want it to be, or you can just eat it right out of the bowl. We'll show you the family recipe here when we're back off of the diet. We don't want to tempt ourselves by having to give it all away. It's not a good idea for us. It's super simple. We mix this by hand. What did it take? 2 minutes, 3 minutes? Not too bad. All right, until next time, thank you for coming, and of course subscribe to this channel and get some more tips and tricks and guilt-free desserts and gluttonous desserts. Proteins, everything. Drinks, whatever you want, whatever I want, whatever we all want.